District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee Imphal West organized World AIDS Day on the theme Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right at JNV Khumbong in Imphal West. Chairperson of DAPCC Imphal West, DC Thokchom Kiran Kumar, CMO Imphal West Dr. L. Joy Kumar, JNV Khumbong Principal E. Golmai attended as main guests of the event. DC Kiran Kumar flagged off a rally from JNV Khumbong to Khumbong Bazaar in connection with the observance. Addressing the gathering at the main event held at JNV Khumbong Multi-Purpose Community Hall, DC Kiran Kumar emphasized the importance of continuous efforts in maintaining good health, warning against consequences of carelessness. He honored an individual who had improved their health through medication after suffering from AIDS, offering financial assistance, bouquet, and Lengyan P as a motivational gesture. The event was attended by District Program Manager NHM Imphal West, Busoshana Rajkumar, District AIDS Control Officer Imphal West, Dr. Wahengbam Hemolata, students, CMO Imphal West staff, JNV staff, teachers, ASHA, and Anganwadi workers. Dr. Hemolata also highlighted several initiatives organized by District AIDS Control Office, including sensitization program at Mekola Primary Health Center, candlelight vigil for departed souls, flash mob at Khumbong Bazaar on November 27, and painting competition at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School on November 28. Moreover, a sensitization program was held at DC Complex Kombirai Hall in collaboration with Manipur Rural Livelihoods Mission on November 29, and World AIDS Day was also observed at Kurkul Primary Health Center in Imphal West District.
Breathing for 1 minute or 1 minute. So that 1% change per day, 1 year will improve you 37 times. But after 2 years, every day 1% increase will lead you to 1,400 times increase in 2 years. Adu normally khamweba. I walking chapter minute amaka chaleba. Hayeng na minute amaka chaleba. Hangke na minute ani chaleba. Sumse pase ay hakchang khagal oeba. Urueba. Hana chalamadu ay chalakreba. Adusu urueba. Sahi matung ribu urakanya.
As part of the World AIDS Day 2024 observed across the globe, Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, also marked the day under the theme Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right at the CADA Health Office in Konung Mamang, Purairom, Kongnang Makong. CADA President Hijam Priyokumar, President of the All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj, Thokchom Ramani, President of Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalop Amkil, Laurembam Nganbi, President of All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Nupi Lup Tami Chingmi Yambem Momon, and President of Laimarol Lamjingkon Laimakon MC Rita, among others, attended the event. Speaking to the media, CADA General Secretary Geet Chandra Mangang highlighted the growing concerns of increasing drug use and HIV infections amid the ongoing crisis. He pointed out that HIV-infected individuals are facing significant challenges and that the support provided to HIV patients by the state government and NGOs has been insufficient due to the crisis. He also highlighted that the rise in flesh trade in the state is contributing to the growing number of HIV infections and emphasized the need for discussions to address these issues. Geet Chandra called on the state government to establish a mechanism to control these problems. He further appealed for the restoration of normalcy in the state through dialogue and understanding between both sides, stressing that if the ongoing crisis persists, the public will continue to face difficulties in the future.
The Lansi Marxisu drugs Vizinaba, HIV infection gi posisu, Dum Hinkalapi Pausilay, Lay Irang Sinamar Murakanda, HIV Gus Hagona Hingiba Mayamdasu, effect Werapa, ARDC Nariba Mayamdasu, Saiting Hangakanda, Matamchana, Hidalantak Pangodava facilities, Government Piriba, Natri NGOs in Piriba Mayamse, Hang the Budagi, ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ harm reduction ꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯛꯆꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯏꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯈꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯆꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯅꯩꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ
World AIDS Day 2024 was observed at Wangoi Community Health Center on the theme Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right. Managing Committee member of RKS Wangoi K. Dhaneshwari, Mayailambi College Principal R.K. Nimai, Way to Recovery Home Project Director Chongtham Bankim Chandra, MO in charge of the CHC Dr. N. Sushila and gynecologist Dr. Yampa attended the observance. World AIDS Day 2024 on the theme Take the Right Path, My Health, My Right was held today at CMO Office Complex in Tamenglong, organized by District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee Tamenglong and sponsored by Manipur State AIDS Control Society MEX. Tamenglong CMO Dr. G. Maza Chunglu and District Hospital Tamenglong MS Dr. Guidai Thiu Kamei attended as main guests. Dr. Kamei emphasized the importance of regular ART intake for HIV patients, urging them to take their medicine at the same time daily. Dr. Maja Chunglu discussed World Health Organization's commitment to ending HIV/AIDS epidemic by 2030 and highlighted the district's progress, noting that Tamenglong has a relatively low number of HIV-positive cases. The winners of painting competition held as part of the event on November 29 were awarded with cash prizes and certificates.